This time, I'm going to show you how to share files with your team in a channel. And as usual, there's a few different ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of the best ways I know and explain why you'd use them. In a channel, at a minimum, you'll see the Posts and the Files tabs, and you can share files with both of them. Let's start with uploading a file to a post. I want to share a file with my project team. To share a file in a post, I can start a new conversation or I can reply to an existing one. I just need to choose the paperclip button and I'll see this menu. And this is the place where I want to get my file from. In this example, I'm going to choose Upload from my computer and I'm asked to pick a file. And I'll choose this project review slide deck from my Downloads folder. Then it adds the file to the post as a card. Now what it's added here is a copy of the original file. By posting this slide deck to the channel, I'm uploading a copy of it to the coaching team. There's no link between the original file on my computer and the file that's being uploaded to Teams. What's good about sharing a file in this way is that everyone in the team sees the post. And I can also add some text to the post to explain why I added it and what I want the team to do with it. I can even @mention if I want to bring the file to the attention of someone specific. For my project overview slide deck, I want to make sure that Amrit is notified, so I @mention him. He'll see it in his activity feed with the icon. Now Amrit can reply to let me know he's seen the file and knows what to do, and he can edit the file in Teams, in his browser or the desktop app. And everyone in the team sees the file in the Files tab in that channel. This time I need to share a file that's already in my OneDrive. I'm going to do that from a post, and I choose the Attach button again. And then I choose OneDrive. I pick a Word file from the Project X folder called Project Report. And this time, instead of uploading a copy, I'm going to share a link. Now that means that the file stays in my OneDrive, but it will still be shared with the coaching team. When I choose Share a Link, it adds the card to the post and shares the file with everyone in the coaching team. Once it's posted, you can see that it has a breadcrumb on the file card, and that indicates that it's actually still in my personal OneDrive. Anyone who sees this file in the post can click on it to open it up as usual, but if I go to the Files tab, that Project Report Word file isn't in the list. That's because it still lives in my OneDrive and I only shared a link to it. The last example of sharing a file with your team is to create a new one. I can do that from the Files tab. I just choose the New button and I want to create a spreadsheet to track the budget for this project. So I choose Excel Workbook, name it Budget and choose Create. It will open up that workbook in Excel inside of Teams and I can start editing. Now if I choose to close now, Teams takes me back to the Files tab and I can see my budget workbook. Now everyone in the team can view and edit that file.